Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to share any post to your story. We go to any profile. I will go to Instagram account. We just go to and choose any post we want to share to our Instagram. I will choose this post. We just go to any post and tap on share button here, and we will find this add post to your story. We just tap on it. It will go and open it in our story. We just position it or edit it as we want, add everything you want, and just upload it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you. Like and subscribe to our channel.